Hello friends, welcome to KPS Trades. Our motto is Passions, Patience, Profit. We are price and momentum based technical analysis. Today we have come up with another video where we are going to share with you 8 different stocks from different sectors, which can be a good investment ideas for the coming month. And we will share with you Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis also. So please do watch the video till end. We are very excited about this and we are sure you're gonna benefit out of it. Just if you're a first time to our channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you do not miss any future videos so that you keep get updated with what contents we share. Another disclaimer is that these videos is shared, these charts are shared for the education purpose. And before investing in any of these stocks, please consult with your investment advisor for that. And let's move on. Today we are starting it up with different charts and different stocks. So let's start with the banking sector. You can see this ICICI Bank has been very bullish, right? Then it went on a sideways. This is called a flag pattern. So we got a flag pattern breakout. This chart was already given a breakout on 9th March and it's still roaming around the same level. We feel that it might retest this levels of the breakout and then it went ahead. We went ahead at 675 will be the next resistance. And above that it can be goes to further. And on a below the support is around 561. So if you see the risk reward ratio is very good. RSI is bullish. So all the parameters are in the favor of the stock. And banking stocks being in the boom because when we do the bank nifty analysis, you will able to understand that why we were talking about this. Next stock we have BPCL. You can see this stock was moving in the channel and then this gap down happened due to that bulk deal which BPCL have sold these stocks, and then it made this green candle, right? It went active above this, which is around 446 level. So around 438 to 448 is the range to buy this stock with a stop loss of 400. This is the support and it can go 480, and if it closes above 480 then it will be uncharted territories and targets can be very big because of the sale which they did, the stake sale in their refinery, and then they sold the stock. They got around 16,000 crores, so it can be a good dividend player. We can expect a dividend next 1 month's time announced, and at this time it can be a big dividend. So that is also the play in this. So keep a watch on this. This can be a very good stock on that. Now let's move on to a small mid cap IT companies. IT company has been flavored. Nasdaq has been booming. TCS, HCL all has given a breakouts. Now mid cap and small cap IT companies also looking for the flavor. Sonata Software has been in the range since 23rd Feb when it touched 500 odd. It went sideways, and now it's on the verge of breakout. It's not given the breakout yet. The breakout is above 500. So keep and watch on this. Once it's give a breakout, then the move can be 550 plus around 600. And the stop loss on the lower side is very limited. It's around 450, although the support is around 460. But to avoid a volatility, we keep around 450, which is the safer stop loss. And we look around for 550 to 580, 600 approximately the move. This is the wick which you can see and the sideways. Now it went above all the 3 days, but it couldn't manage to close. We are looking forward for one close above that. Now let's move on to another stock. This is from auto sector, Mahindra and Mahindra. See this big good flag pattern from the downside, took support around 800 and then given breakout. So the breakout is given yesterday. So our buying level is close to that 850 to 860, 870. That can be the range to buy. The breakout is around 875, right? And the candle low was 849. So this candle is your range, right? With a stop loss of 800, 795 to be on the safer side. And the target is once it's crossed 920, then 950, and then leveling for 1000. So maybe 920, 950 will be the right place. That this can be a really good bet. Let's move on to another stock. This is Pi Industries, one of our favorite stock, but it is not been moved. It's been sideways for so long. It's consolidated in the range of 2150 to 2300. The big breakout is above 2300. If you see on this, it has already given, but it couldn't sustain. It's still hovering around 2300. The best buy will be between 2250 to 2275. And once it's close above 2350, then the target is big because it's been since this big red candle you can see it has never able to cross. So 2400 the first target, and then we look forward for 2550 and 2650. Keep a watch on this. This is good agrochemical company, big company, good moat, and look forward for moves. Now next is Quest Corp. This has already given breakout from the flag and it's been retesting. So our buying level is 710 to 724. It's the retesting of the flag breakout. And then the target is 800 first and then 850. This is also, if you see, this company has been moved well from 27 January around 540 till 800. So good rally it has given. Now it has retesting the range on the retracement and moving on further. These are the stocks which we have already given on our Telegram channel. You can see, I can share with you on a KPS trade. So please join our Telegram channel. See this before market opening yesterday morning, we had given all those charts right, with the levels. So we given all those things, and it's all still on the same buying levels. So we will be giving one bonus stock at the end of the video, which is not given in our channel or Twitter handle, right? So let's move on to next stock. Next stock is a small company. It's a Trident. It's a very good company. It's textile company, right? It moved from 7.5 till 17, and since then it was in range where the low was around 12.7, and it tried to break 15 once, twice, third time. So it couldn't able to close above. Just keep and watch. Once it's closed above 15, it's ready for 17, and then it moves up to 20. So good stock for a longer term. But yes, in a shorter range and a month or 2 months time, you can expect around 10 to 15% return on that. Guys, please keep in mind our view on these stocks are for 5 to 10% return minimum. This is what we are looking forward, and some stocks you can keep trailing for a longer returns on that. So now let's move on to the index analysis. Bank Nifty. This chart is very interesting. I'm liking this chart. You can see this flag. It has been made. It tried to break, but couldn't sustain, then gap down. Then it went above twice. It tried and it failed. Yesterday, it opened gapped up, but it's still a red candle. It didn't consider to be green. Once we have a green candle, or once we break or close above 36,177 on a spot, which is yesterday high, and we close with a green candle ready for a big rally in Bank Nifty. The first target will be around 38,000, followed by 38,500 and 40,000 by the year end. Bank Nifty is getting ready for a really big rally. Same goes for Nifty. If you can see similar pattern, we had a gap up opening because it's a 4-hour chart, but it couldn't able to sustain. So it will may retest around 15,050 or 15,000 levels again. But once it retest and it's ready to move, this is gonna test the previous high 15,431. And if it moves above that and close above that, our year-end target is around 16 and a half, 16,400. We are very bullish on both the indices, and this is looking very promising. It should sustain till the time it's sustaining over 15,000. Nifty is in the bullish territory. So that's really good for the markets. Global markets are good. Dow is made all-time high, and it's running ahead. So we look forward for so many opportunities coming our way in that time. So we'll keep sharing the charts. We'll keep sharing the knowledge. The motive is learn and earn. More you learn, more you earn. You can see these charts, the visibilities, and this will help you on that. Now the bonus stock for today, which is a must buy stock. one of the really promising. We have given these talks two times before also, and in our channel we have traded at least last 6 months 4 5 times. Pretty promising. It's from a pharma company. It's Newland Labs. If you can see, the stock was already 10% up yesterday. So we just look for it. Given the breakout of the flag, we will look for some retracement. We will look for entry around 1960, 1970. That's a right time, around 100 points retracement from here. And it's ready to break its previous high of 2350 and so on. It's being consolidated on the downside, but if you can see, it has took support twice on this level. And yesterday, green candle was a clear indication there is big buying coming. RSI is positive, is taking support on 50 levels and already break 60. So just wait for some retracement on this, and then this will be a really good buy for all of us. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time today. We have done a good analysis as the videos become a little bigger than what we are expecting, but this was important to discuss. So we'll be sharing more charts with you going forward. So please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss any video going forward. Thank you very much. Thanks for there. Bye.